everyone, happy Father's Day. Thanks for stopping by. Sons and daughters, thank you for nominating your fathers. I'm sure they will be happy to know that you nominated them at the very least, and to that lucky one that will take home the grand prize of the $100 Home Depot gift card this year. I'm sure they're going to be extra happy. And I just wanted to say again, thank you to everybody for the outpouring of support in this drawing this year, and for Simon Electric as a whole. It really means the world to us, and it's part of the reason why we strive so hard to continue to grow the company and our social media footprint and everything like that. So thanks again, happy Father's Day, fathers. And without further ado, I will select the winner this year. Let's see here, who do we got? All right, Debbie. Debbie, whichever Debbie that is out there in internet land, congratulations. We're glad that you took the time to nominate your father. For everybody else who didn't win, keep your eyes peeled on our pages, on our YouTube and other places, Facebook, because we will have other giveaways and stuff coming up, so actually some pretty cool ones, so stay tuned for that. Thanks again for stopping by, everybody. Until the next time, take care.